Welcome to Rotoman Automations Private Limited. Now I am going to explain you about the calibration of OH adhesive and the NCO adhesive from the Rotoman dosing unit branded as Smart Mix. To start the calibration procedure, before that we should have a minimum calibration materials like lightweight empty plastic vessels, calibration nipples and the weighing scale. The weighing scale, scaling factor or the least count should be 0.01 gram so that we can measure the adhesives weights very accurately. Remove the dummy plug as provided on the mixing head as shown. Then assemble the calibration nipple as shown. Now we need to set the OH, NCO and the host temperature as desired by the adhesive from the HMI screen. Select temp button provided on the HMI screen to set the temperatures. Set the NCO and OH temperatures, desired temperatures. And select the NCO and OH to on mode from the heater on button. And also set the host temperature. Now select the heaters to on position. Now select the switch in manual mode, and from the HMI screen you need to select the calibrate button and enter the total NCO and OH dosing grammage in the given field as shown. Now we have entered the value of 160. Then switch on the calibration mode from the off to the on position. Now we can see NCO 100 and the OH 60. This is the ratio. Now we will start the next procedure. Now we will start the calibration of NCO adhesive. For that we need to select the NCO pump to the on position. Now take the NCO marked empty lightweight the plastic vessel and put onto the scale to measure the weight and make it to 0 by pressing the tear button from the weighing scale as shown. Now we will press the cycle start push button from the operating screen to take the NCO adhesive from the mixing head as shown. And note down the values of the NCO adhesive has been taken from the unit. Now we will enter the value of NCO in the actual dispensed grammage field. Now we will take the OH adhesive calibration. For that, turn off the NCO pump and turn on the OH pump and activate the cycle start push button from the operating screen to take the OH adhesive from the mixing head as shown.